just think as those vehicles leave the ring, not necessarily the Rolls Royce, but some of the other ones. How many of us have had those in our youth? We've enjoyed them. We've not looked after them particularly well, and when they've come to the end of their life, we've tended to flog them off somewhere, cheap, get rid of them, buy another one. I think we should have kept them and done them up and kept them in the garage, and then they'd look as beautiful as these cars do here. And there's a Morgan coming down the far side there, the three-wheel Morgan. Still made individually. The team that do the first nut and bolt on the Morgan do the last nut and bolt on it. They build it as a team. They're not built on an assembly line. The assembly line is the same group of people, and they make that car. They still do.